How to log into First Republic Bank account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you to the process. So if you're wondering how to do so, the thing first you need to understand is the First Republic Bank's asset has been transferred to JP Morgan Chase. So if you'd like to log in into First Republic Bank, you need to head over the website, which is JP Republic Chase. So you can go ahead and search for JP Republic Chase in your preferred browser and find it up, which should be this one right here for Chase Bank. So you can head over to chasebank.com for that, and once you are logged here in their website, you will be finding this particular interface. Now what you may do is look out for the sign in option in the top right corner, so just go ahead and tap on it and look out for the sign in piece right here. So you can head over to the signing page where you can use your credentials in order to directly log in. So let's just wait. And there we go. Now you can just go ahead and enter up your credentials, your username and password in order to log in into Chase. And you can just go ahead and access all of your assets and all of your savings from First Republic Bank to JP Morgan Chase Bank very easily. If you're having any kind of issue, you can directly contact your bank for further assistance. This is how you do it. I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.